Okay, so today I'm putting away my Diet Coke. If you wanted to vote for a president like I've done this November, I had put my camera right here, so don't judge me. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge. Okay? There we go. Alright, let's put these in the fridge. Next to the water. That's a good idea. 3 cans. 1, 2, 3. Don't judge me on that one. Thank you. If you're listening to this video, I'm putting away drinks. If you want to cool off in the summer, or even on Halloween, have a cold drink. Yeah. Okay. Let's move these out of the way. Put these. Try not to mess up this fridge. Alright. Alrighty then. I did a little bit of Jim Carrey voice, but not too much. Don't worry about this. Don't judge me on this one. It's a Juice Bennett. It doesn't... It's just a regular drink. Shake before... I'm going to do this off-screen one. But instead, we're doing the non-sugar drink. This is my... this is important stuff. That's for the... I can't wait to turn these cans in. Can't wait for the flag to come back. Well, alright. Here it is. I'm going to use it as signs. And don't judge me. Double signs for one. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe. And by the way, I'm Mark Sertwin from Richie the Great 89 Film Entertainment Productions. I'm just in a better mood. Okay, so I hope you enjoy YouTubers in our video. Okay, peace. Bye.